Today I wanted to talk about salad dressing. Now everyone knows that eating a salad is very healthy, very delicious, and something that we all like to do is add salad dressing. These are just some salad dressings that I have in the house. But if you actually read the ingredients, the list is long, and I bet you almost every single one of them has soybean oil in it, which is really not a good oil to use, or canola oil. Olive oil is more expensive. That's probably why they use these other type of oils. It has sugar, it has artificial colors. Really, it's not ideal because you're taking a lovely salad, which this is salad that I actually grew in my garden, so it's totally organic, fresh from the seed. And I just felt like I needed something better than this better than these store-bought ones. And if you have the right ingredients, that's all you need. So I have some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit of that on there. And then my secret ingredient. This is cherry balsamic vinegar. Oh, it's just unbelievable. It's not just your regular vinegar. It has a sweet, I don't know, it just has a sweet flavor, and it's amazing. And what I was doing was taking this artisanal vinegar, and you just drizzle it over the top, and voila, that's all you need. 2 simple ingredients to replace all of those ingredients, and it's healthy and it's delicious. Now I just ordered this one on Amazon, and I paid extra so it would come here today because I ran out of I had a cherry balsamic vinegar it was from an artisanal store that's in another state, and I just finished the last of my bottle the other day, and I just didn't want to go back to the other salad dressing, so I had this delivered today and now I'm eating my salad with the balsamic vinegar. So it's just amazing because it's so simple yet so delicious, so nutritious, and there you go. It's beautiful. It's